This review is a Field Roast, plant-based meat and cheese company, miniature corn dogs, plant-based corn dogs crafted with our classic smoked frankfurters in our traditional cornbread batter. Non-GMO, and this is a carbon neutral company, so that's fantastic. Let's see. It is vegan, of course. And I already cooked this up in my toaster oven. Let's see. Oh, I thought there was something else about this that made it special, but I don't see anything else. Huh. All right, well, there's the blurb and the instructions and the ingredients and the nutrition facts. Okay, so I've just finished cooking them up. 4 corn dogs have 260 calories in them, and they're about this long. You'll see in a minute. There are 13 grams of fat in 4 of them, 1.5 of which are saturated, so that's good. No cholesterol, but 530 milligrams of sodium. Oh no. 29 grams of carbs, of which only 6 are sugar. There's no dietary fiber, which sucks. 5 of those sugars are added, 8 grams of protein. So, and it does use xanthan gum, which will cause some people to have gas. And that seems to be, oh, and it does use fructose and cornstarch. So you can expect that there's a fairly large amount of fructose in here, which, you know, if you're not being careful, that since it's not from a natural fruit source or vegetable source, that can be bad for your health because it affects your liver in much the same way as drinking alcohol. Okay, so there you go. That's about how big it is. So that's almost 2 inches, roughly. This one's a little bit longer. So depending on how you chew it up will determine what it tastes like to you. So I just ate it by first chewing up the cornmeal without chewing the fake frankfurter. So I got to enjoy the cornmeal, and then I got to enjoy the frankfurter. Both tasted nice, although I don't know, I almost wish that the cornmeal flavor was a little bit stronger. Now I'm going to just eat it all, just all at the same time. Now that is more dominated by the frankfurter flavor. So as opposed to like a fried corn dog, which obviously is not going to be good for you and is going to add a lot more calories. These do not have quite the punch in terms of the corn flavor. But overall, I'm really impressed. It's stuck on my face for some reason. I'm really impressed with this. Especially given the decades of failure by the food industry to produce a vegan hot dog that tasted like a hot dog. I think I had my first vegan hot dog probably somewhere around 1998, 99 maybe. And I was like, oh God, do I have to eat this? Because I had to put on lots of ketchup and stuff. This just was not good. And hot dogs now, fake ones, are really much, much, much better. Well, most brands, anyways. I'm gonna give these an 8. I'm enjoying them. I'll have to share them with my kids, but I don't want to. But that's okay because I'm getting way too much sodium. Thanks for watching and hope you have a great day.